Hi guys, welcome back to HADAL Sports, and my name is Asad.
My name is Ahmed.
If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. And today we got the
CL,
exactly
Somali British.
Champions League.
We didn't even rehearse that. Hey, that's staying in. That's staying in. Well, hey, you know what? Sky Sports, sign us up, man. We're ready. We're ready. Big game. Final group stage games happening across, United Kingdom, Great Britain.
A lot of stake in this game.
A lot at stake. Teams need to win. Teams need points. Teams need goal differences.
Team needs to perform.
Teams need to perform. I mean, hey, we're about to dissect the whole shebang right now.
So we got Western ballers.
Well, you say we. Whenever I'm here, I'm impartial, as you guys know. I've had a bit of stick.
I mean,
actually,
we
recently.
that's like us. We got Western ballers, and then we got Manchester.
Ah, okay. I thought you meant we.
Come on now,
in-
work with me.
Okay, I'll work with you. I thought you were gonna be biased a little bit.
No. There's no such thing here.
Hey, on HADAL TV, we are giving impartial our personal views.
We're professionals
Yeah, I mean, I got stick. I've been told that we've been told that we've been harsh a little bit on.
on Manchester.
Yeah,
Reality is reality, bro, isn't it?
we just see what we just say what we see.
100%.
Hey, you know what they say, man?
If you don't like it, perform better.
No, what did they say on COVID days? What was it? See it, say it, sort it.
I think they still say that on the train.
Do they?
They said that on the train the other day when I was coming back from London.
I've not been for a minute. But
So, yeah, Western Ballers basically travelled all the way from London.
first of all, thank you for coming down because I know these journeys are not easy.
Not easy. We've done a few of those.
I found out who was driving the minibus. Shout out to you. I will mention who that is later on as we watch the videos and the highlights. And just the players and everyone, man. MashaAllah. Amazing group of young crop of players. Let's just go on.
So, let's dive into the teams. Obviously, Manchester, the usual teams. Some of the players came back in. Some players coming back from injury.
Yeah.
Some players they have not been available, but they came back in this game.
Just a bit of like competition format. If a player doesn't play in a group stage game,
Yeah,
they can't then progress to play in the knockout stages.
which is fair.
Which is fair. I mean, I'm not in like saying that, we shouldn't do that or anything. Which then put a lot of pressure on management to actually start giving minutes to a lot of players, some new signings. And it's the sort of game where a lot is at stake. They need to go up the table. Western ballers need the points as well.
Yeah.
And that's where we were to begin with.
I was quite impressed with the Western Ballers. They bought a lot of youngsters.
Yeah, legs.
Lot of youngsters.
I just saw a lot of legs, man. Just running, tiki taka,
Yeah.
all of that stuff.
To be honest with you, like we're gonna get into the game in a minute. But I was quite impressed. So it was a good game all around. But
Who did you catch up with before the game? And
so I spoke to both managers, and we'll see their reactions. And here's the managers.
Abdulaziz, salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, my brother? You okay?
Alhamdulillah.
So far, the Western Ballers, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so always those who don't know Western Ballers, where you guys from?
We're from West London, Shepherd's Bush. We're from all from White City, mostly from the estates, and yeah.
So how you guys finding out the tournament so far?
Tournament, we're finding it quite difficult, as you can see from the results. But the good thing today is I brought mainly my kids, and they're gonna play with a lot of heart,
That's good. You're building up for the future, yeah?
building up the future, Somali future, inshallah.
Oh, mashallah. So where you guys are in the position, I think what, like,
We got 2 points.
yeah.
We win today, we're through.
Okay.
So
You got a good incentive there today to
of
put
course,
some.
of course.
That's good stuff. So obviously this is the first time in Manchester, yeah?
Yeah, this is our first time, yeah.
Okay. So I think for us we're third. I think we are.
Yeah.
So I think we need a draw today or a win.
Yeah.
So you guys need a win.
We need a win, must win.
Okay. Well,
So
so
it's gonna go down. I think it's gonna go down to goal difference. If I'm correct.
yeah. So like if you guys win today, then you guys go in quarterfinal, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's a good incentive. So far in the tournament, I think what was your challenges so far? Like what was the like?
Challenges were we had a lot of boys that were not gelling with our boys, and then we tried to mix it with the youngsters and
Yeah.
some of the oldsters. But now we got mainly our Saturday team, so we got a team that know how to play together.
Yeah, I know. I think this is the first time in the tournament for you guys, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the first time for the kids in the tournament.
Oh, okay. So what's your prediction today? I don't want to put you on the
Prediction.
spot.
we didn't drive 5 hours to lose a game.
Oh, listen,
so
I
I know
100% aware of that.
it's-
100% aware of that.
It's a known fact that we're going to win,
Yeah.
but hopefully we don't embarrass Manchester in their home ground.
We have not lost at home yet.
Yeah, but
That is our record so far.
the home advantage is usually
It's-
fans,
it's-
but I don't see any fans here today.
Yeah.
So
It's a bit windy,
it's a
Manchester
bit
weather.
windy. It's a Manchester weather, so it's going to be a tough game.
Yeah.
But hopefully it goes well.
So any insights or any information? Have you guys been following Manchester or?
Yeah, we've been following you a lot. We've seen that you lot are weak this year, but you never know. You can't judge them by other games. Maybe.
Yeah.
So
Don't tell me just your secrets just yet.
Nah. We can't give you our secrets yet. You're gonna see after the game, inshallah.
Inshallah.
And then you'll see how the boys go.
Coach,
Thank
good
you
luck
very
for the
much.
game.
Thank you very
I'll
much.
see you later.
Thank you.
Inshallah, take care. Ahmed, salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi
How are you,
wa
okay?
barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, my brother.
So game 4.
Yeah. Final match day in
Hey.
the group stages. Doomsday, as they say. Yeah.
We got Western Ballers, they're a new team in the block.
No, not a new team. They're the first ever Champions League winners, actually.
Is it?
Yeah. So whenever the competition
I think I had a chat with the coach.
Western Ballers won the competition, you know.
Oh, I spoke to the coach. I think he kept that a secret there.
No. They're former champions, so once champions, always champions.
Nah,
So
100%.
we'll give them that respect.
100%.
Champions against champions, as they say.
So how's it looking today?
Wallahi, we're missing a few starters, but in terms of some big players have come back.
Yeah.
We've been playing probably some second string, third string. We like to experiment in the group stages.
Yeah.
Come the business end of the season,
Yeah.
we like to bring the big boys out to the party. So hopefully, inshallah, the last 3 games, you've seen the good, the bad, the ugly.
We've seen everything.
OIR, probably the best goal of the season so far. The
Yeah.
good, the bad in terms of tawfiq, lateness, punctuality, red card, drawing, and then Bristol, a humbling experience, but one that hopefully wakes everyone up, you know, in terms of the ugly side of football. So it can't always go your way, but alhamdulillah, we're together now.
So today we got Billy suspended and we got Yusuf back in the team as well.
Yeah,
A lot of the old members are coming back into the
So
team.
you got a few legends returning actually. You may be surprised by a few legends that will return. You got Hassan, you got Drapes who are back today. You got S1 who's come back making his debut in the SBCL. MS is back from injury. Young Jonas is there as well to make his debut. Saj has been out all season. Hopefully he can get some minutes on that. So yeah, wallahi, squad is looking strong. We should get a good result, inshallah, and get second place. And then we'll be thinking, what was all the worry about? You know. But alhamdulillah, it's
So-
trials and tribulations is good.
You're gonna give me a prediction?
Today,
Yeah.
wallahi, a statement, just a statement win, just to make everyone remember who we are, and we'll take it from there. Game by game, all we've got to do now is just win, get to the knockout playoffs, and then you got to play us. You got me to beat us, and inshallah, hopefully we get a good Ramadan, and then we're back out into action. Inshallah, yeah.
Thanks, Ahmed.
You're welcome, bro.
Good luck for the game.
Assalamu
Take
alaikum.
care.
No worries.
So that was the manager's reactions and brief before the game. Both of them seem very, very confident.
Very confident, very optimistic, and I didn't feel like anyone was giving it the big talk. I felt like it was quite.
I mean, one of their manager, Western Ballers manager, basically told. But I've asked him about the experience in the tournament. He kept the kind of low that they were actually
kept their cards close to their chest.
Yeah, they were previous champions.
Yeah.
He didn't give that information out.
Well, if you didn't know, now you know.
Now you know. Former champions versus former champions.
That's it, man.
That would have been the title of this game.
We're going back a few years though.
But yeah, so let's dive into the game and then we'll do a reaction to the game.
So we're gonna watch the highlights, segments from the VO footage that we've captured, and we're just gonna go through like the chances, the opportunities, the goals, and things like that, and then we'll dive into it. So here is the game.
So this is the first half.
Western Ballers in orange, Manchester Powerhouse in the white shirt. Long ball.
Good ball, though. He's brought that down very well. And I think the wind is not helping there as well.
You know what? Let me just pause this for a second. There's a lot of wind.
Yeah, it's heavy.
It was like I don't think
It took the swing of that of that ball, you see.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't think either team took advantage of the wind.
Especially like Manchester shooting
Like with
towards
the
the
wind,
wind, yes.
Yeah, with the wind in the first half.
no shots recorded.
So
way it looks like it.
let's just keep going through this. That was a half chance.
Yeah.
2 Western Ballers, not bad. Sammy in net. He's back after his suspension.
So we got a free kick here.
That's Yasser, I believe, on the free kick. Young Yas. Western Ballers wall looking solid. Ooh.
Oof.
Not bad. Not
Not
bad.
bad.
I'm just gonna mute this audio because it's picking up a lot of wind. Basically, it was very windy.
It would have been a trouble if that was in.
That was on target.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here we go. Free kick to Western Ballers. You know what I liked about Western Ballers?
To keep the simple.
They just kept it simple.
Look at how many
passing
passes
it
here.
around. 1, 2, 3.
No rush.
Oh,
Abdurrashid.
Abdurrashid's through. Abdurrashid's through.
Oh, yeah.
Was that a shot or a pass?
I don't know what that was.
I remember that. I'm actually going to just flick that back a little bit. Let me see if I can kind of just slow it down. Actually, there we go. Let me go back to about here.
He had a similar shot like last time, innit?
To be fair, he's by himself. I don't blame the shot there.
Yeah, but we expected more power.
Just a bit more. Just kind of like, work the keeper. Keeper had so much.
Yeah, that was almost like
time
rolling
there.
back.
He just, yeah. So let's have a look.
They're playing well from the back as well. They build
Yeah.
up quite good. They've been doing that the whole first half.
Okay. A lot of pressure in the midfield. Drape's back to get some minutes as well. Yusuf, that is.
Lost the ball there. Too many touches.
So who's on the attack here? Ooh, that's a nice through ball. Is that a 1-on-1? Yeah.
Yeah.
That was, for me,
That should have been a goal.
That's not a half chance. That's a clear cut chance.
Yeah.
And not only that, I believe he had a player on his left.
I don't think you need him.
I know, but sometimes you can just go in further, square it, draw the
He
keeper
has
out.
to put that on target.
Yeah, has to work the keeper.
Yeah, definitely.
Has to work the keeper. I mean, I'm not a striker, but if I was,
Well, I am.
well, luckily.
That he has to get that on target. Even if the keeper makes a good save, fair
Yeah.
play.
Yeah.
But he has to hit the target with that one.
Because Sammy was planted. The
Yeah.
Manchester
Even though
keeper.
he's got a free player on his right hand side.
Yeah, on both sides.
and on left side. I don't think he needed them.
Yeah, man. Another error from Manchester led to a Western Baller chance, and luckily they weren't punished.
And I think that was Yusuf that lost the ball in the midfield.
Yeah, let's have a look. Okay.
Okay, this
Manchester
is-
got the ball. You, Sammy. I don't remember half of the game because I'm always like behind the lens. Okay.
Keeper's ticket.
Keeper. Side
Ooh.
netting. Side netting. Not
Side
bad.
netting.
Not
Again, should have put that on target. Make the keeper work.
bad. Make the keeper work, man. That's the message that we have from here. Okay. Abbas on the left here. Let me get this.
Oh,
Out of the way.
I don't think he meant that.
Yeah. I seen it. I think he tried to chop it or something, and then he sat the player.
I don't think he meant that. How's that cross?
Not bad. Straight
see.
at the keeper. If that was a little bit further out, I think Abdurrashid might have had an opportunity there. I was impressed by their keeper.
No, he was good. He kept
Yeah.
everything nice.
Another long
That's
ball.
another
So
long ball.
we're seeing quite a few long balls. Oh! It's a foot race.
Yeah, clear out. Oh, he lost it.
Oh, wow.
He lost it.
I don't remember this. I was too busy filling out the team sheet, I believe.
Another shot. But at least he made the keeper make
Hey,
the save.
at least this one is straight, on target.
That's 3 good chances so far.
Yeah. I mean, that one was quite from afar, but not
Don't
bad.
forget, like, the wind is still pushing the other side.
Yeah. So every
Just
shot that's
slowing
being
it
taken
down,
is
yeah.
just slowing it down a little bit, taking the sting out of it. Western Ballers corner. Ooh.
Good save.
Trying to do a little cheeky flick on the outside of the left
Another
boot.
target. It seems like all the chances are going in their way at the moment.
Yeah, it's one-way traffic, just based on the footage that we have here. Okay, another cross, Manchester.
Yeah.
Boom, long ball.
Okay,
2v1.
boot it anywhere. Oh my God.
You know what? Square it. I remember this.
Oh.
I'm gonna pause this. I remember this. I don't know who you are, but brother,
He should have passed that. But at least keeper made the save.
yeah, but
But he should have passed it.
that one is
Yeah.
like we're
Oh,
guaranteed.
go top corners.
Listen, that's when repertoire has to kick in.
Now, go top corners. I think all the chances fall into them. But I think that again, that's another error from the defender.
Yes,
If you go back a little bit,
I will go back and I'll slow it down for you because I know you. We've seen this earlier.
okay. So basically now there's 2 men chasing you. That is a straight kick to the road Z.
That's not seeing any grass after that point.
Yeah,
Any
that's
astro.
that. Yeah, get rid of that.
That's going above the building.
Yeah, it's gone. Like,
Mm.
there's no way that you doing anything but just kick it forward, corner kick.
Because
I don't care.
if you look, you've got the left back quite convinced that that's probably
yeah,
gonna
I don't know
happen.
what he's doing over there.
I'd be, you know,
Yeah, he should be down on
doing
on,
the
on
recovery
line, yeah.
runs. I think it was only jabs. I mean, I don't even know where the right back
Or
is.
maybe he's thinking he's gonna boot it. Simple.
Yeah, that's my reaction. Get rid of the ball. I actually don't know what he does. Or he tries to flick it back.
Yeah, he's trying to flick it back.
Yeah, I mean, that's not going to work. And then Jabs
Yeah.
is like, oh, what is going on?
It's that extra touch he did as well. He could have like took
The touches weren't bad. I just feel like they needed that was their best chance. And
I think
the other one that was, and then the 1-on-1 that they had,
I think so far,
the clear cut chance if he squared it.
yes, but he still got. He could have finished that off.
Yeah, I agree. I mean,
So I think
you're as a striker talking a bit selfishly here, thinking.
Yeah, I think the both of them is very good chances. I think they should have been at least 3-0 by now. Yeah, by this point they should
I
be
remember
3-0.
you saying at halftime they should be 6-1 or something crazy like that.
Yeah, it should have been at least 4 goals clear.
Let's have a look. Okay, another.
That's a great turn. Cut the whole midfielders open.
Let's have a look.
That's a number 11. He is a killer.
Oh yeah,
He was a killer.
was he your man of the match?
Oh
for
man,
that
he
team?
was the guy.
Good challenge. Good challenge.
He was challenging all day. Like he was.
I love it when defenders put their body on the line, man. It's
There was a
good.
lot of battle going on this side between him and
The left back.
the left back. Yeah.
Second half. Okay, throw in for Manchester. Go across. Go across.
Look how quick they're closing down.
Okay, I would have went across to be fair. Okay, nice feet.
Lost the ball already
Lost it.
again.
Oh, good chance.
Finish it. Oh yeah.
Not bad, not bad. To be fair, let's give a lot of credit to the keeper.
Now the keeper, Sammy's been
Sammy kept Manchester
in the game.
in the game.
In the game.
in
Simple.
the game.
Simple.
Yeah,
as that.
yeah. There's no two ways about it.
That's like what is it? 4th chance. That was
Yeah.
a straight shot at him.
Let's
Without
not,
no-
let's not say straight shot at him. I think some of them. I was watching from the opposite end. He did.
No, so that one was a clear chance of shot.
Yeah. But it wasn't straight at the keeper. If he's straight at the keeper, he'll just boom parry it. But he's having to jump. So I'm giving props to Sammy there,
Yeah.
even though he did make an error early in the first half. Let's have a look. Okay, we got the ball. Yep. Okay, no, another clip here. I think that just dies there. Who is that? Mo Salah, I
Mo Salah,
believe.
no.
Yeah, the trickery. Okay, boom. That was a little bit of a theme as well, where too many touches were being had.
Too many
on the ball.
touches, too many step overs.
I don't mind
The ball wasn't coming in quick enough.
I don't mind the too many touches.
So
it has to work.
if
though.
you look at these two now,
So what? We're going back a little bit.
go back a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Look at these two. Mosa still got the ball, by the way.
Yeah.
Look at these two. Look at these two near the goal. I don't know if they're not expecting the ball to come
Are you
in.
referring to Abdurrashid and Yasser?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like they're not making a movement. They're not. I don't know if they're not been expecting. I don't know if they're not
It's
accepting the
funny
ball.
how they're both just hands on knees, like do something.
Yeah,
But to
so-
be fair, that ball should have come in earlier.
Yeah,
You're right.
but I mean, maybe they're not expecting it to come in. Maybe that's the look.
And then now
Now everybody's reacting, and it's too late.
there's a lot of reactions going on.
Yeah.
That could have went
That could've
anywhere.
gone anywhere.
Could have gone anywhere. I mean, I was hoping. I mean, I'm there basically.
They should have been on a tailspin for
That's
them.
me there. Yeah. One should have been closer
Yeah.
to the goal. One should have been a little bit further out. But again, in hindsight, it all sounds easy, isn't it? There's a free kick to Manchester. You got Yusuf, Abdurrashid, and I believe Munya standing over the ball. Abdurrashid. Nice whip. Keeper has
Great
it.
goalkeeping.
Yeah.
The keeper's been solid as well.
Yeah, very vocal.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not. He's not their captain, is he?
No,
It was someone else. Okay, cool. Well, he sounded like a captain to me on the pitch.
no, he was a very vocal person as well.
1-2 MS with
MS.
I don't know who number 4 is. I'm gonna guess Jonas. Alhamdulillah.
Oh, a goal!
Yeah, this is the goal. This is the goal. So
That was a lot of hard work from MS.
yeah, I mean for me, as well as MS, I'm trying to think who number 4 was. Was that Eunice who came on? Yeah. So if we just go back a little bit, one of the new signings. Let me go back
Yeah.
a little bit more.
We played a 1-2 with him, is it?
Yeah, the 1-2. Yeah. That's what I like about Eunice. He just bam bam.
And I think MS has been like that as well.
MS was like that
Through the whole
first
game.
half.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Keeping it nice on one touch.
1, 2,
Two, and then
boom, just a bit of trickery, some
Yeah.
good footwork there, and just gets it in.
that was an amazing ball.
I don't think he looked and he pinpointed it.
He put
you
it in a
know,
position.
He was just like, get it across goal. Good.
It's a very dangerous position as well.
Yeah, away from the keeper, in between keeper defense.
Good
Yasser
finish.
is there. Calma, I guess. 2 games or 2 home games in a row, should I say?
Zoo.
Okay.
Oh, MS again.
Driving.
Making another run.
Nice ball on the left. To be fair, second
So,
half,
like, look like Manchester's
did-
building up on the
yeah,
last-
second half. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's great. Oh, outside the box.
I seen this.
Outside the box.
I'm gonna pull this one back because I've
Yeah.
actually seen this earlier. So where is it?
That is.
It was just after this, wasn't it? Have I missed it? Have I gone past it quite a lot?
What'd you do? You're here.
There it is. Cool. So if we look here now, pause it. I will zoom this in the graphics.
Yeah, you can't score from there.
You've got potentially on a cutback here
Yeah,
for Drapes, who is good on his left foot,
right.
and
No, he has to cut that back.
he has to cut the back. You've got Mosa across, but there is a defender covering him.
Yeah,
And then
so-
you've got Abdurrashid, who needs to get in front of this man.
Which he didn't move quick enough. But I
Yeah.
think he has to give it to. He has to give it to him.
He has to cut that back.
Yeah,
Has
I have
cut
to give it
that
to
back.
Drapes. Yeah.
Yasser, I'll give you your flowers for the goals, but you have to cut that
Yeah,
one back.
that one
But you know what
should've-
it is? Sometimes when your head is just like, I'm just
Yeah,
gonna do
sometimes
it.
maybe a little bit
Yeah.
confidence is up. It's just got a goal.
You just got to, yeah. that's
Score
what
for
I'm
the second
thinking.
one.
Catch the keeper out. Bear in mind, we're 1-0 up at this time.
Yeah.
I say we, Manchester Powerhouse. Keeper read that very well. He's like, nope, not
Yeah,
having
he's
it.
covered his near post.
Yeah.
There was no way he was going to get
If
beaten
he got
there.
beat there,
It would have been his fault.
yeah, I agree. Free kick to Western Ballers. Again, it's still a little bit windy. You can tell by the flag on the linesman on the far corner of the screen. So this ball does swerve. I remember seeing this.
What a shot.
Yeah, good save as
What a
well.
save as well. Because that ball could go anywhere.
Ref is saying football. Okay, cool. Corner, Western Ballers. A lot of movement in the box, which is good, I guess.
Oh, that ball's slowing down there.
Yeah, it's just slowing down. It's messy in there. I mean, I can't see.
Oh, 1-1.
All I saw there was, because I'm on the other side of the pitch, just a net nestling.
Yeah.
And I'm like, oh, great. I
Because
mean,
the
hey,
ball just hanged in the air a little bit.
and not even that. And there was a lot of ricochets, like a lot of back and forth here. So if I was to just maybe go back a little bit here, just press play. So the ball, like you said, it's hanging in the air for a little bit. You think keeper should do better than that?
Yeah. But don't forget, the wind's playing on that ball as well.
Yeah.
So
He
I think,
misjudged the
I think
fly
yeah, a
or-
little bit more hand to it. He can just punch that ball out a little bit further
I'm
down.
thinking flick it over the bar or something.
Yeah.
If you go a little bit further.
I think he kind of missed it.
I
And then
feel
obviously
like
hitting
it hits the
one of the players
defender
and
it
comes back
bring-
in.
Maybe he did flick it out. I mean, I can't really tell from this angle.
Yeah,
And
well,
then
it wasn't a lot. It wasn't
It's
a
hard
lot.
to get your body out of the
Yeah, and then
way.
he's back in. And then that's when he gets really messy.
Yeah, if you know what's happening here, break it down to me because it's just a ping pong table right there. And then just a shot. Credit to Western Ballers, man. They deserved it.
They hustled it.
They absolutely deserved it, man. I mean,
They went far. They went behind long anyway.
No,
They,
no.
they got that equalizer back.
yeah, getting a lot of confidence, running back, picking the ball up, getting on with it.
So at this point, 1-1.
It's getting quite dark now. 1-1, Manchester and Western Ballers. Okay, down the line maybe. Again, got
Oh,
caught.
what a turn.
Oh, nice.
Shot. Oh.
Again, Sammy just like. But to be fair, I'm always confident when Sammy's in there. Okay, couple of passes. Oh,
Oh, lost the ball. Mosai's in.
not bad on that recovery challenge because
Yeah,
he took the
look-
ball
look at-
wide.
Yeah.
Wing it, whip it, whip it.
The win
You know this one, yeah. Because I'm still sat there somewhere.
Yeah, you just slow that ball down
It
very,
slowed
very
that
well.
ball down so much. Again, where is it now? It's there, isn't it?
Yeah. No, go back, go
Nope,
back.
it was the other one.
A little bit back. There
There
you
we
go.
go.
So look at that ball. It
So
took
Mosa
the
on the
swing
far
of it.
left just whips it in. You can even see Yasser is going like further away, and then the ball just look at how the ball just slows down. it just slows down. Even the keeper
Keeper was like,
misjudges
yeah, I know.
the flight of the ball because the keeper's like, I'm catching this.
Okay, yeah, this was coming to me, or the challenger would be
The
Abdul Rashid, I
trajectory
think, is
of
it?
the ball just goes like this.
Was it drapes?
And then it just drops here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that really slows down. I mean, that's unfortunate. I mean, there's nothing that you can do about that one.
No,
Good idea from Mo
both
Salah
teams had
as
to
well.
deal with that. So
Yeah.
yeah, it's fantastic. It was a funny one. It could have gone. It could have gone anywhere.
That could have gone either way, yeah. I agree. Boom. Ooh,
Oh,
heavy touch there.
another heavy touch. Is he gone in?
Let's have a look. Who's that in defence?
Good defending.
No nonsense. You needed a bit of that.
Ooh, another long ball. Here we go. Mo Salah's in.
Not bad. Keeper covers near post again.
Yeah.
Really well. Keeper shine. Throw it. And yeah, that's pretty much all the
There you go.
the major chances, opportunities on both end of the pitch. Obviously, there's been a few handbags in there, a couple of yellow cards maybe,
I don't think there was a lot.
like malice or anything.
Yeah, I don't think there was a
dangerous.
lot in it. I think it was pretty much a clean game.
There was
The
one
both
challenge where I heard one of the Western ballers quite hurt. That one could have been nasty. But
Yeah.
apart from that, I felt like the game was quite clean. It
That-
was,
I probably that's the only challenge that,
Yeah.
that you could say that was the only thing that happened. But yeah, it looks like a quite clean game. I think they were good lads.
yeah, 100%.
They played very well, good attitude. So, good game all round.
I mean, Western ballers, you know, they made the journey. They needed the win.
Yeah.
And
They
they
should have got the win.
boy were they close.
Yeah, they should have got the win.
I mean, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go into that one chance where they shot, and there was rumors that it went in or out. Do you remember?
Yeah, I've heard, but I've not seen it at all.
I've not seen it. Okay, so we're gonna just jump into that clip right now.
So Ahmed, this is the one.
Yeah.
So it's a corner kick.
For Western ballers,
Yeah,
there was
so-
a lot of controversy over this one, whether the ball went in or not. So I thought we'd save this clip right till the end of the highlights because I feel like it was a it was an interesting one.
It was an interesting one, and to
was
be
an
honest with you, from
interesting
where
one.
we were standing,
I've had to jump back into the VO website to actually pull it back up. So let's have a quick look. It's a corner for Western ballers. So you can just see on the corner of the screen
it's
there.
a pass, and then it's shot.
Bam, bam, and it. So now the question is, did it go in or not? Because everyone's surrounding the referee. To me, it looked, obviously, I actually did not see it with my eyes as it happened, but it looked like it just hit one post, then the other,
And they came back out.
then it came back out.
Yeah. So if you
Well-
cross the line, then why
Well-
would it come back out?
But someone said it hit the back post or something, like the inside back post.
No, go back. Let's go back and slowly. Let's
Definitely not that, right? So the corner's been taken short
yeah.
to catch Manchester out.
Pretty much everyone's in the box at this point.
And then takes a 2-3 touches and just smacks it across goal. No.
It hit
no.
both posts.
It hit crossbar, left post, right post,
And then it back out.
and then back up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see
I
this.
can't see it either.
Yeah, I'm really struggling here. So it shot crossbar first, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Then it hit the left post second. Wait, did it hit? Let me use my mouse. Did it hit this post? This inside bit.
I'm not sure.
Okay, what I'll do is
Rewind
see,
this.
let me go back, and I'm gonna try and zoom in. Okay. So I'm gonna move the screen a bit to the left. Oh, it's so difficult to tell, man. We don't have that, you know. The budget is a bit low here.
Nah.
Crossbar left post, right?
You almost had me there. I thought you came all the way in. No, it hit the top and then hit the post and then hit the bottom post and came back out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boys, I mean,
Yeah, that's that.
we're trying to be as transparent as possible here because
Yeah.
no.
Didn't go in.
Yeah, didn't go in. Yeah, interesting. That was quite interesting. But that was kind of like
It was a good end to the game.
yeah, a really good end to the game. I mean, we had a chat with some of the players at the end. They were like,
Not happy about it.
yeah.
But that did go in. For what
not just this, just the
as a game,
overall
yeah.
performance.
They deserve to win
They could have walked away with at least 3-4 goals
at the first half.
minimum. Yeah, 3-4 goals, and yeah, man, the performance from Manchester wasn't the best. I mean, it was good to see all the players back. Back from injury. We had 1 or 2 players who needed to get some minutes under their belt. A couple of new signings, Eunice, S1. It was good to see them as well. Very impressed. Not bad overall. So Manchester now make it through the playoff stages. So obviously we didn't finish second, which would have given us the home advantage.
Yeah.
And only play 1 playoff game.
Yeah.
So Manchester will now have to play 2 playoff games.
Yeah.
Provided they win the first one against someone on the other side of the table, so Group A or Group B, however. And then if they win that, and then they play whoever finished second somewhere across one of the tables. Again, I don't have all the details, but we are going to be doing a group stage review once all the games have been completed and we have the tables and all the relevant information that we need.
Yeah.
And we are going to be inviting the managers.
Oh yeah, all the managers involved in the tournament.
Yeah.
And hopefully we'll be catching up with everyone hopefully soon.
Definitely, man.
So
that was the game.
Overall, what do you think of Manchester?
1-1. Western Ballers actually did a big favor to teams like Phoenix and Tawfiq. Because had they not showed up for the game, for example, because sometimes these journeys, you can easily just forfeit a game. Had they not showed up, they would have forfeited the game.
I think that was a good game from them. And actually, that for the future in this tournament.
Yes,
they got the experience. There are a lot of young players there.
They
played very well. A lot of passing, a lot of legs. I think the team they'll be upcoming team.
Yeah, and I agree.
100%. And I think they outplayed us.
Yeah.
They outplayed Manchester.
Legs again, like going back to the top of the show. The legs.
They outplayed Manchester. They were aggressive. They were I mean, their pressing game. I mean, Manchester couldn't get maybe 3 passes together. They were breaking them down very, very quickly.
Quick press, high press, and
now credit to their manager, man. I mean, they did a good job with them.
Yeah.
And it was obviously give them a lot of young players, a lot of good confidence as well. And he said that he was building up for the future as well. So
100%.
He's looking good, man. Make sure you keep that work up, man, and hopefully we'll catch up with him soon as well.
Definitely, inshallah. Man.
So who was your man of the match?
I mean, what for each team or just for
obviously
the whole game?
Because it's a 1-1 and draw.
Yeah, I can't really pick. I can't be like this person because I don't feel like.
So okay, let's give. I will give it to number 11 from Western Ballers.
Yeah,
the youngsters who are playing on the right hand side.
I can't argue with that.
He was
wearing the handband, right?
Yeah,
pretty solid.
Outstanding.
Again, I don't really get to watch the games as it's happening because I'm just busy doing.
Don't worry,
I'm
here. I'm doing that for you.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate that.
Yeah, so he was outstanding. I think he had a good battle with our
left back.
Left back.
Yeah.
He was getting the best out of him the whole first half.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
He did well. I mean, he was. Young guy, man, but he looked great.
Yeah.
Also, from our team,
from Manchester, just for the sheer reason of keeping us in the game, I'm gonna give it to Sammy. Yes, the goal maybe could have been prevented. He could have had a role in it. If it's not Sammy for me, it's gonna be MS.
I mean, the fact that we're discussing a goalkeeper's for man of the match for us.
Yeah.
It just shows the game.
Usually, I don't think we've given Sammy man of the match or any of our goalkeepers in the past for any of the games. It's always been like a Billy or a Omar or a Draves or a Yasser.
What do you think is wrong with Manchester at the moment? Because we not had a
chemistry is not there.
We don't have a good performance at the team.
I mean
the only performance that we had when we went out to 10 men against OIR.
That was good. I enjoyed that game.
It
was freezing. I enjoyed it.
But that's the only game. I mean, obviously today it was a big miss. Billy was missing.
Billy suspended.
Omar didn't play for some reason.
No, I mean he didn't play because you could only select a certain number of players, and a lot of players needed minutes. So players that have already had minutes, they were just kind of sacrifice themselves, I guess.
Yeah, but I mean, what do you think all this bad performance is down to?
Chemistry. Yeah, I just feel like the boys just are not gelling. But inshallah, over Ramadan, who knows? Get a couple of training under their belts, maybe a couple of friendlies.
Yeah.
And they're back on their feet because they have to win every game if they want to.
This is going to be their business end.
Yeah, this is it now. This is it. This is it now. It's now or never. You can't go and just get a draw or a win. You have to win every game now.
Yeah, because I think so far they walked it. They walked it for this for this tournament so far.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, I can't argue with that. I can't argue with you there because, like I said, we only say what we see.
Yeah, I think the only players I was impressed with, obviously the goalkeeper, and same you said, I think MS.
Yeah.
And to be honest with you, even though there was a not lot that he's done, he just kept the ball moving nice and quickly.
Yeah.
And obviously he created that goal.
Yeah. Yeah.
And that's about it. I think Manchester had nothing else to show for this whole game.
We could do with a bit of fitness training.
I think it's not fitness. I think sometimes it's to do with, like you said, chemistry. I think it's to do with passing the ball. There's way too many touches.
That's really standing out to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean,
Bad decisions, and also there's too many touches, like too many this way, that. Sometimes like there's someone there. Give and go.
receive. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like they're working way too hard while they can get the ball moving quickly. Just get the ball moving. It's like they want to run, they want to do step overs, they want to like you don't need to do that. Just give
Time
and
and
go.
place.
Yeah, give and go. If you want to beat the last man, fair play.
Yeah.
But you don't want to do that in the middle. Just keep it moving.
Who's doing that for you?
The only person that keeps it giving it a go is it was in the midfield. It was just MS.
Okay. Well, you felt like it was quite.
Obviously, the wide is Yasser and Mosa.
Yeah.
Really, nothing came from them.
Yeah. I mean,
I can't remember.
They're more like attacking
Coming in.
strikers.
Yeah, so they weren't staying. And obviously, Abdulrashid kind of isolated up front on his own.
Yeah.
And obviously, ended up.
Was he getting enough service? Do you think?
No.
Yeah.
There was nothing. Can you remember a shot?
I don't think I recall like good chances created.
No.
Yeah.
I think it was only one chance that we took it.
The goal.
Yeah.
That was it.
And that was it.
Yeah.
It was one-sided game. The way it looked like it.
For the first half, I would agree. Definitely one-sided. Second
half, there was a bit of a fight back.
I
yes.
think with some of the changes, tactical changes, and the substitutions, I think that helped.
Yeah, definitely did. Yeah.
After the game, you caught up with
the managers, and also we had a chat with the Western Ballers captain.
Nice.
Some youngsters.
Okay.
Upcoming stars, inshallah.
Inshallah, man.
So yeah, let's hear from them.
Coach, salam alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
What a game.
Good game, very good game.
But you know what, yeah? I feel sorry for your team.
Of course.
That was absolutely a dominant performance.
Of course.
First half was basically all yours.
Yeah.
Second half, I could say probably 50-50.
Yeah.
But I think you guys had a lot of chances to finish the game off.
No, of course, yes. But and also on top of that, there was a lot of referee calls that we shouldn't, that didn't go our way.
I think
it's football.
I think the referee, I didn't think he had a bad game, but I didn't think he had a good game either.
His
I
ego
think
got him.
very, very.
He doesn't want to use the linos and whatnot, but that's fine. At the last minute, we did score a goal.
Yeah.
And there's footage for it. So when the footage does come out at the end, inshallah, you'll see the honest truth about it.
No, definitely we're going to be analysing the whole game when we get a chance.
Nah, 100%.
But yeah, but I'm very, I know you got a young team there.
Yeah.
But they did themselves absolute justice. I mean, they could have been the first team to beat us at home.
No, of course.
And they should have done it anyway.
Yeah, we should have scored about 4 or 5 goals in the first half.
Especially in the first half, yeah.
First half was the biggest one, but it is, again, football's football.
Yeah.
And the results matter at the end, and we didn't get the result. But do remember the name, Wood Lane.
Nah, you know what, yeah. You guys put your names.
It's not going to only be one trophy we're going to take. It's going to be numerous Somali Champions Leagues in the future.
I mean, like, that last chance you guys had.
Yeah.
It came in, hit the post.
Hit the post.
Hit
and
the
then
other
went
one. It didn't go in.
But at the end of the day, like I said, the results was the result, and we didn't get the result. And this is a good opportunity for boys to know and to learn, inshallah. But we should do better for next time.
Nah, definitely, man. Well done, coach.
Thank you very
That was a
much.
great performance from your team.
Thank you very much.
Thank
I
you.
do remember the name Wood Lane. We're going to be back, inshallah.
Inshallah. Thank you, coach.
Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum, boys. How you guys doing? You okay? So we got the captain Abdullah and we got Amin, yeah? Yeah. So how was the game for you guys today?
To be honest, they're a good side, they're a physical side, but the boys done really well. And I think they went 1-0 up, and then we got back into the game. We scored a controversial goal. Unfortunately, the ref didn't give it, but that's football, and we go again.
How do you find it as well?
Yeah, I think we're a young side. I think they had age on us, but that didn't really come into the game.
Yeah.
I think we took the game to them on their home pitch. We had a lot of chances. First half, if we buried those, it would have been a different game.
Yeah, to be honest, we were thinking exactly the same. I think you guys could have been up almost 4-0 the first half. It was a lot of chances missed. Some of them were rushed. Some of them were obviously, because you could tell you guys have got a young team. If you had a killer up front, basically, you would have been a bit patient. It would have been a whole different game. So obviously second half, obviously it looked like a bit more 50-50 second half. You guys obviously Manchester fought back a little bit. But how did you guys find the second half?
The second half, I'd say we had a bit less control, but we were still battling. They came at us a bit more. But yeah, we scored one goal. We should have been two, but yeah, go again in it.
So yeah, so second half you got a bit chaotic. Like obviously, like it was just like up and down, up and down.
Up and down, yeah.
There was not a lot of control in the game.
Yeah, players started to get cramps all over the pitch. Everyone's on the floor.
A lot exciting for the fans though.
Yeah, it was. The fans, they were excited. Yeah.
So to be honest with you, I think even though you guys got a young team, I think you guys should be proud. I think that's probably the most dominant performance I've seen in Manchester. There's not a lot of teams came here. We were talking about, you know, OIR with the champions last season. All the teams that came, we had like some of the big teams in the tournament that came here. That was the most dominant performance I've seen, and it was like you guys should have won that game, seriously. But I'll say well done to you guys. I think you've done fantastically well. Thank you. And you guys are going to be the stars of the tournament if you guys keep going this way.
Hopefully, inshallah, we'll be back next year, better and stronger, inshallah.
Inshallah, man. Well done, man. Well done. You deserved it. Well done. Well done. Ben is one of the coaches for Manchester.
Yeah.
What do you think of this game, bro?
Mixed bag. I think we underestimated the opposition a little bit, thinking that they're naive and young kids. The game plan going into it was me as a shooting coach, keep the ball on the ground. Weather is difficult today with the wind, rain on the grass. Keep it low, get shots off. 0 shots in the first half on the keeper, and I think we had 1 shot in the second half before Yazir scored the goal. So lack of shots, not going to score goals, unfortunately.
What do you think you put down to this? Because like it looked like but that was a dominant performance from the London team.
Yeah. Warm up. I think they was here really early. Preparation. They was outside warming up very early. I think we let ourselves down with our preparation. Turned up a bit late. 15 minutes of a warm up's not good enough.
Yeah.
You know,
it's quite windy there, quite cold
stages,
as well.
They were up for it. You know. Lack of preparation, lack of warm-up didn't help us, and then we started the game really, really sluggish and soft. A couple of people were playing a little bit out of position, doing the best we could, but just not good enough overall.
Yeah. Well, thanks, coach.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
See you next time.
Cheers. Thank
Take
you.
care. Ahmed, salam alaikum. How are you doing?
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, bro.
Tough game today.
Tough game, definitely tough game. They say tough times don't last, tough people do. Mashallah, wallahi, I just want to give credit to Western Ballers.
Yeah.
Previous champions. So
They kept that very quiet.
quiet for those that didn't know, but in terms of myself, I'm a student of the game. I do my history and scouting report, so mashallah. But I think they've revamped the whole squad. They've got a small, young team, youthful team. Remind me of our own journey when we used to develop the kids and the big boys now, you know. I think if they keep that core youth and a few experienced players, they're going to be a problem for a lot of teams, inshallah. But credit to them giving us a good game.
So yeah, I mean, the first half, obviously, it looked like they had that game. I mean, the only thing they didn't take the chances. Second half, it looked like it's kind of even game, but equal chances. What do you think went wrong today? Obviously, especially with the home team.
Wallahi, one, and I hate making excuses and stuff like that. I think the weather cost us a good game, a great game, because I feel like with their energy, their speed, and with our technicality and skillful players, we probably missed a good technical game. It ended up being a bit more of a second ball, first ball, long ball. We weren't winning the first, second balls. In terms of the last fixture of the competition or the group stages, we were forced to not be able to play all of our best players. We had to be diplomatic or try and make sure players that hadn't played, some players that have missed 3 of the group stages, needed to get game or minutes to be eligible for the knockout. So we did believe we'd get to the knockout stages, but we thought, let's make sure we've got as many players available. We don't want to go like Bristol with like 13 players. Inshallah, as I said to the boys, we didn't lose. We learn, and we still have a fighting chance to redeem ourselves. Maybe we need Ramadan. In terms of the brothers, some of the chemistry, some of the harmony is not fully there. It's not been there since last season. Again, I take accountability and responsibility as the leader. That I need to fix my own situation, and then hopefully certain personal relationships. and then get the team in unison and fighting and working together. I think it was disjointed today in terms of defence, midfield, attack. I don't think we created a chance or worked the keeper till the second half, you know. But alhamdulillah, we got the first goal, so the boys listened at half-time. It was going to be a scrappy game. As long as we got the result, which was just to get 3 points, we could finish second. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. It finished 1-1, meaning that we would still be in the playoffs, but we're probably going to do it the hard way, having to go away for 2 games and then semi-final. We're more than capable of it, but we're like Jekyll and Hyde, you know?
Yeah.
The good, the bad and the ugly.
Yeah. Ahmed, thank you very much. Good luck for the rest of the tournament, and we'll see where we go.
Again, thank you very much to yourself throughout the group stages. Again, a big thank you to Ahmed Omar, aka Ahmed Spider. You guys are doing a great job in terms of HADAL TV, getting the coverage of the competition. You can see that we're building in terms of Manchester in other areas as well, making sure that we keep connected. Well, I keep up what you guys are doing. You're making the competition bigger and better, and hopefully Manchester can get back to the glory days. And once champions, always champions. You just got to remember that, inshallah.
Thank you, Ahmed.
Remember, like, comment, subscribe.
So that was the managers and the players after the game and their reactions. And also we had a special guest who came to watch the game.
Mr. SBCL himself.
Yes,
the
he
man
did.
behind, well, I'm assuming there's a few people that are behind the organisation and the committee and everything, man. It's amazing what I'm seeing, man, especially over the last, I mean, I've only witnessed SBCL over the last 3 years, but over the last 5-6 years that it's been going on, maybe even longer, who knows. Ahmed Milky, man, it was nice to have him there, have a bit of a chat, you know, have a little meal at the end, just conversation. So yeah, it was amazing, man. I'll give you another 5 seconds of appreciation to everything that you guys do, because without them, like, this is tackling a lot of issues without people even realizing.
Definitely.
So, yeah, man.
Definitely. It looks like it was 10 seconds, but here we go.
Oh, so we're giving 10 seconds of appreciation
I
today.
think we did that.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Who knows? It might be more on the next video.
We'll up it up next time.
yeah. No worries. We might even do a whole show. Who knows?
Yeah,
But yeah, man, that's my appreciation basically for everything that goes on, because, like I said,
It is a lot of hard work.
It's a lot of work that goes on behind the scenes that people don't see. You know, players may just turn up, play, go home, but it's a lot of stuff that goes on.
Yeah, a lot of journeys, a lot of miles.
Yeah, a lot of paperwork.
Yep.
But yeah, man. Shout out to
appreciate
everyone
that.
involved, both on and off the pitch, because it's working something that we don't even realize.
That is it from us now.
Yeah, that is it from us from now.
Yeah.
SBCL, we're wrapping up the group stages. We will do another show highlighting and reviewing the group stages as a whole, like we mentioned earlier, with special guests, managers, players from specific teams. And there's a break now for Ramadan. Have a blessed Ramadan.
That's it.
And we'll catch you on the next one.
Good night.